What's up, guys? Alright, I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to use the cruise assist cruise control on a Yamaha. This is a 19 VX Cruiser HO. So there's a couple different ranges of different speeds that you can go to while you're using the cruise. So for example, I don't know the exact numbers, but it could be like from 10 to 20 miles per hour. You can set it in that range. So you pick your desired speed, then you press set. Once you hear it beep, you can pull the trigger down or the throttle all the way and it'll stay at that speed, and then you adjust it from here, up, down. See? It's pretty straightforward, but there's a limit as to how fast you can actually go in that certain range. And then as soon as you let go of the throttle, it's going to take you out of cruise. So just be careful with that. If you're hitting it pretty fast in cruise, and then if you let go and then pull the throttle again all the way, you're not going to be in cruise anymore. So you're just going to launch yourself right off. So all right, hope that helps you a little bit.